The 2 Degree of Freedom robotic hand rehabilitation system, developed by the Biomedical Mechatronics Lab at Northeastern University, is a hand rehab system controlled by 2 hydraulic actuators focused on restoring hand and wrist movement for stroke patients. The actuators assist in the linear and rotational directions, allowing for the user to exercise pronation supination of the wrist as well as flexion extension of the fingers. The system also connects to a graphical user interface consisting of mazes for the patient to navigate while exercising, creating an interesting rehab environment where wrist pronation supination moves the dot left and right, and finger flexion extension moves the dot up and down. The first generation of the system is highly effective. It experiences very little friction losses and has very high frequency response. Also, the first generation prototype of the system is MRI compatible, which has great research potential. However, the hydraulic actuation system is quite expensive and leads to a complicated setup. To create a system feasible for widespread home and clinical use, a simpler and lower cost version of the system will be developed. To reduce cost and size, electromechanical actuation will be used rather than hydraulic. This will allow for a system with reduced cost while still offering either resistive or assistive motion for the patient. Once this prototype is developed, the next step will be to design new controls and games for the system. Now a member of our design team will discuss the project further. Hi, my name is Patrick Murphy. I am one of the student engineers who will be on the design team of the second generation 2 Degree of Freedom hand rehab device. First, I want to thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video and visit our I Am Scientist webpage. We are very excited about this new technology, and we believe that it can greatly improve the rehabilitation process for both stroke patients as well as orthopedic patients. However, for our project to be a success, we will need funding, and any contribution you can give will be hugely appreciated. On the page, you will find what we can offer as a sign of gratitude for your donation. They range from a thank you letter to a tour of our lab, all the way up to a working prototype of the device once our project is completed next spring. Again, thank you very much for your time, and any contribution you can give is greatly appreciated. We hope you're as excited about the project as we are.